Hi. As we embark upon our journey of finishing our schooling, some of us are going to be done after this class, like me, and some still maybe have somewhere to go. But it's never a bad idea to come up with a portfolio to help into getting a job after we are done with our classes. The seat portfolio, to walk through it just a little bit. Of course, that's me right there. Some of the assignments that I have done, research and writing, one of the it reflects on learning and practices and processes for improvement. And it was a really good research paper that I had done that I was very proud of. I haven't done schooling since, for 30 years. And not to show my age or anything, but it's been a while since I went to schooling. So doing all of this has definitely helped in getting me out there and going again. And then health data information for diagnostic coding. That was another good paper that I love taking. All of my courses that I have taken, I feel like with clinical and coding, that I feel like we have really reached what we were supposed to do. I still have a little hard time with the coding, and I'm hoping that in time and being something that we do all together, that it will kick in and it won't be so hard when we get out into the real world. So, because I just still am always second guessing myself, wondering what if I'm getting the right ones. I have a couple of goals. Completing for some of the goals that I've done in my schooling is completing with a 3.0 GPA or higher. I would love to obtain a job with my credentials and pass my CCA exam. I mean, those are pretty much everybody's goals, probably. Some of the goals that I found with myself is, I love watching my kids graduate. I have two that are getting ready to graduate college themselves. I do want to travel the world. My husband and I talk about that every day, and we're always in for a healthier lifestyle, right? So then we come down in this here, this is a little bit about myself. I have been a cosmetologist my whole life. I graduated high school and have stood behind a chair ever since. And so it was hard coming back into school and trying to, you know, I haven't taken a math class and I haven't, done a lot of the things. So it was really hard, getting back into taking it and working and, helping my family and everything else. So, there is some really good accomplishments there. And then the last thing that we have is my resume. I feel like, when I quit doing hair and retired from the salon, I did work as a substitute teacher for a couple of years. And now I'm actually working in a healthcare, in an insurance company, working with the doctors and providers and people that get health insurance. So I'm kind of have my foot in the door of where I'm going to, in the direction of where I'm going to go after graduation. So that is that is the end of my portfolio. Thank you for listening, and any feedback is always good.